Hello, my beautiful friends. I'm so happy that you're here. Today we are doing a premiere, so yay for getting to chat together live. And I'm sorry that I'm not live in my home. My name is Victoria, if you're new to the channel. If you are a subscriber and you're here hanging out, hi sweet friends. I'm so glad that you're here. Scott and I are actually on vacation together, so that is why I wanted to record this before I left. And I am so thrilled today to be styling our Elite and our Petite Free Spirit Bundle home decor subscription box. If you're new to the channel, this is something that I curate as a professional designer. Each bundle builds on the next. It's so much fun. And the best part are the women that are chatting with me right now. The subscribers make everything amazing. We do have a live Facebook group, and that's where normally once a quarter I go live, but because the box was launching and I knew we would be out of the country, I was like, what are we gonna do? Well, we're gonna pivot a little bit and we're gonna do a premiere together. So get your favorite drink, get comfortable from your home. Welcome to our home as we begin to style the Elite and the Petite Free Spirit Bundle. I first wanted to start with the Petite. Okay, you guys, I did something a little different this quarter, actually with both boxes, the Elite and the Petite. I brought some old Elite items back, some fan favorites. Of course, I'm a favorite of all of them, and I'm not gonna lie, I almost always, every quarter, take more than one of every item. So I'm gonna start tonight, with the item, the wood wall shelf. Let's talk about this item and all the different ways that you can style it. Let's take this little guy to the bathroom. It's the perfect scale to hang above your toilet. And as you can see, all my past little bundle items also work so well with this wall shelf in the bathroom. You could put a piece of artwork above it. You can use it for your perfumes or your favorite products in the bathroom. Or let's think outside the box and take it to the kitchen. I loved the idea of flipping it upside down and using it as a riser. You can have this little collection by your stove, whether you need oils or you want it by your coffee bar with different things. You can use your marble bowl for cinnamon. If you put it by the coffee bar, I chose to put salt because I actually use that every morning. I love my little Petite succulent. Isn't that so fun? That is a past candle that now has succulents in it. The next item is also a repeat, but again, a fan favorite, and you honestly need more than one of these in your home. The beautiful marble bowl and gold spoon. So many ways we can use this. I feel like we can't have enough of these little marble bowls. As you saw, I had one with salt for the kitchen. I have one with cinnamon at my coffee bar. I have one at the kitchen sink, and now the lavender by the bathroom sink. It makes me feel special. It's something that gives the guests an extra special touch, and it would be a great gift to give to someone with your favorite hand scrub. Again, the pot holders, you guys. These are handcrafted. You can throw them in the washer and dryer. They're amazing. And it was one of those comebacks that I was like, I really need a new set of these because mine are completely trashed. If you were not a fan that you got a second set, what a great gift for this holiday. You're welcome for being ahead on your holiday gifting. So fun. And such a beautiful, beautiful gift. My favorite part about these pot holders is that they're so easy to use. You can wrap your bowl around them when you take it out of the microwave or your coffee mug. I'm constantly reheating my tea or coffee. I love the flexibility of them, and the crochet detail is so beautiful. If you have a hook in your kitchen, you could also easily hang them up. Last but not least, probably the showstopper piece, my favorite of all in this bundle, is this amazing huge white ceramic bowl with nubby little sides. This reminds me, of course, of a small pot that we received a few years ago, or actually I don't even remember when, with our Elite bundle, but there's a lot of ways we can use this. I chose to plant succulents in mine because they're such an easy plant to care for, and it doesn't require much water, so I didn't really need much drainage. You can always put rocks in the bottom since there's not a drainage hole, and you could honestly plant whatever you want in this. I thought it turned out stunning with the succulents. I can't wait to see how they grow and fill in, and I just love the scale of this pot. We're going to have so much fun when we start styling this for the holiday inside. So I thought I would put candles in it. This was very inspiring to me. I love it on my piano. I think it's so cozy and a little bit romantic. And can you just see all the greens or the leaves for the fall? So stinking fun. You could put floating candles in this.
you could honestly, there's just so many ways, and I can't wait to hear how you guys are going to style your bowl. Be sure, my subscribers, to share those amazing photos with us in our Living Beyond Ordinary group. I thought it would be great, super timeless, to take it to the kitchen and put all your favorite fruits and veggies in it. It's beautiful and will also encourage healthy living.
Again, I did something a little different this quarter, you guys. I definitely want to hear from you. Did you love it or hate it? I knew that I was taking a risk by focusing my Elite box on one room in your home. Normally, again, if you're new to the brand, all the things in your bundle are so eclectic and we can truly spread the love around our house. Now, this bundle is no different. You can definitely spread the love around your house, but I really focused on the bathroom this quarter. I thought it would be so fun this August to give our bathrooms a little refresh. And if you are a subscriber and you're like, Victoria, I really needed 2 hooks, no problem. Because you're a subscriber, you will have the opportunity, the only opportunity, because I'm not putting these on Build Your Own Bundle or anything like that. All we have to do is talk to Erica, my team member. She will be sure to get you a second one, third one, however many you want. We do have a handful, of course, until they're sold out. We have a handful of extras. So please don't hesitate to ask about that. But let's dive right into styling our bathroom with our beautiful handmade items. The first item we're gonna start with is the Mercury glass wall shelf. I do feel like this is the showstopper piece of the bundle. The gorgeous gold clean lines, I love it. I loved the Mercury glass. I was like, I want this type of item in my bundle, exclusive for us. And so these artisans in India tweaked it a little bit. We changed some dimensions, removed some things, and now it's truly exclusive to you. Each one is one of a kind and beautiful, just like you. And there are lots of ways to style it. So let's do that together.
As promised, one bundle builds on the next. I thought it was brilliant, this shelf above the other shelf. I love it. Make sure you guys level it when you hang it. You know that it came with hardware, so it should be pretty easy for you guys to hang. I do have a whole YouTube on how to hang things properly if it would help you. But how much do you love this? It's so pretty. I loved the glass with the wood. Right now, mine is holding this fun little bud vase, some of my favorite products, perfumes. It's perfect for my jewelry at the end of the day. And again, the scale is just beautiful. You could put it in your kitchen with the shelf with your favorite spices. I can't wait to see how you guys are going to use this in your home. Maybe in your bathroom, maybe not.
We can't have a bathroom without toilet paper, right? So here is a beautiful, very clean, I hope you guys love the shape of this toilet paper holder that we're gonna hang together. Not to worry, we're gonna walk through step by step how to hang this on your wall.
I had to first start by removing my old toilet paper holder, and I was like, oh no, I'm gonna have extra holes. So no big deal. I'm using one of those holes, and then I decided to put the old hole below it. Once I level it out and put my toilet paper on, you'll never know that it had another hole. I think folding our paper in a fancy way is just fun and makes you feel fancy. When you hang this, be sure to put the little ball on the outside and the loop towards your belly when you're sitting on the toilet. That way when you pull the paper towards you, it will not come flying off of the holder.
And you definitely need a hand towel and a wall hook. So we're gonna do those items together. The beautiful hand towel was made by Trisha Patel, one of our hand artisans. She didn't actually make the towel, but the art on the towel is hers. You can definitely hang this in the kitchen as well. I just thought this piece was beautiful, and the linen is really luxe, and it's gonna continue to get softer and softer every time you wash it and dry it. You know we don't do beauty without functionality here at Free Spirit. So let's hang our wall hook and our towel.
Again, I have to remove my old one. I know I'm gonna have an extra hole. I don't mind because I know it's always going to be covered with a towel. If that bothers you guys, then definitely fill the hole. We have a YouTube about that as well. And I think this towel hook is so funky and fun. I just think it's beautiful, the whole set together. I can't wait to hear what you guys think.
Let's move on to the last handmade piece, which is the beautiful, very well crafted gold bathtub. This guy is so beautiful. I love the little details on the feet. And of course, I couldn't give you a soap holder without the soap. Hopefully you love the smell. I fell in love with this smell when I was at the market, so I hope you love it too. It's so yummy. Last but certainly not least is our set of 3 hand-woven seagrass baskets. I loved how these could stack on top of each other. These truly are pieces you could spread throughout your home anywhere, and we're gonna do that together. So let's go style the baskets.
Let's stick to the theme of the bathroom. I love the idea of using the largest one for extra rolls of toilet paper, which make it super convenient while on the toilet. Of course, poop spray and matches, cottonelle wipes, it all fits beautifully, and the lid, of course, adds the finishing touch to our big basket on the toilet. If you take the smallest one, it's also a perfect fit for tampons and pads on the back of the toilet. Again, makes life very convenient and beautiful. I mean, beauty and functionality, so much fun. The medium basket, I think, looks really lovely on top of books. You could always put treasures inside of there, or maybe if you're hiding something from someone in your family, they'll never find it. I personally have used the medium size on my coffee table as a remote holder. I don't know how many different remote holders I have. I think this is my favorite one so far.
You guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for being here tonight. It was definitely different not being able to go live with you, but thank you for those friends plugged in and who were able to connect live through our premiere. I hope that you are inspired and that you love, love, love your August bundle, whether you got the Elite or Petite, or whether you are my duo family who get both the Elite and the Petite. There are not very many left. You can definitely grab this as a one-time gift if you're forward thinking into the holidays. And don't forget, if you want to add an extra towel or hook or whatever it is in your space, please do not hesitate to email us at bundles@freespiritdesigns.biz. We'll be sure to link that for you below. You guys are amazing. I can't wait to get home. Make sure you look on your art card on the back for all of our events that are coming up together. We are going to be doing next month, decorating for fall. We'll be doing fun fall tips and tricks. Can you guys believe the summer is sadly almost over? I hope you've had an amazing summer. Thank you guys again for being here tonight. Scott and I have really enjoyed our time together. We're so grateful for you, so grateful for you. We love you so much, and we can't wait to share with you some of our journey that we've been experiencing over the last year. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, because there are a lot of really fun things coming to the channel. We love you guys. I know I've said that a lot, but I just truly, genuinely do. I can't do this without you. So thank you. Have an amazing week, and we will see you next week.